Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamara Renaye. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. So as you can see by the title of today's video, it is all about this unit that I will be installing. This is a U-part wig. You guys know, or you guys should know by now, how much I love U-part wigs. They're so easy and so simple to install and style with just minimal leave out. All you gotta do is just straighten your hair, blend it in with the wig, and baby, you got a style and you're good to go. So I like to part my hair. Usually I never take out like the sides, but this time I decided to take out some of my edges when putting in this wig, and it's also just to make it look more natural, if that makes any sense. So yeah, just want to part your hair and get the area of where you're going to place the wig. Use the clips that are provided inside, like they're actually sewn into the wig, and then you're just going to set it onto your hair. Now, I highly recommend that you get an anchor braid, and it's just for extra safety when you are putting in your U-part wigs. Now, for me, I usually don't do an anchor braid. I will do an anchor braid when I'm going out and I know this is the wig I'm gonna wear and I just need extra security, safety with my hair. I will definitely do an anchor braid. So this unit was sent to me from Alipearl. I love working with this company. They have such amazing hair. The hair is so soft, you guys. Oh my goodness. This is a body wave U-part wig. As you can see, it is 20 inches. I try to stay within the 20-inch or 18-inch range because I'm short, and the longer the hair, the shorter it makes me look. And truthfully, I can't handle long hair. Like, this is the longest I can go for me. Now, when styling, it's very simple, very easy. I will just be using this IGK anti-frizz smoothing serum. I love this serum so much on my natural hair, so I know it will be good on the wigs. I use it on my wigs and I just love the overall look that it gives to the hair. And then I'll be using this Revlon curling wand, and I'll just be throwing in some random, you know, big, bouncy, juicy, beautiful curls in this hair. And towards the end, I'm going to brush it out. I love brushing out the hair. It just, I don't know, you guys, like when you brush out the curls, it just adds an extra oomph to it, you know? Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyways, I don't want to do too much talking. I will have all hair details and other information down in the description box below. So if you're interested, do check that out. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video. And follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renaye. Thank you guys so much for watching in advance, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.